Hello fellow explorers and welcome to Istanbul. As we soar high above this magnificent city, you can already feel the energy, the history, the pulse of something truly special. From the Byzantine emperors to the Ottoman sultans, Istanbul has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, leaving behind a legacy of architectural marvels and cultural treasures. We'll wander through the hallowed halls of the Hagia Sophia, marvel at the opulence of Topkapi Palace, and lose ourselves in the kaleidoscope of colors and scents of the Grand Bazaar. So buckle up, grab your virtual fez, and get ready to be amazed by the top 5 wonders that await you in Istanbul. Our first stop takes us to the crown jewel of Istanbul, the magnificent Hagia Sophia. Just imagine stepping back in time over 1500 years, to the year 537 AD. Emperor Justinian, ruler of the Byzantine Empire, has just unveiled his masterpiece to the world. As we step inside, look up and feel the vastness of that incredible dome, a feat of engineering that seems to defy gravity. For centuries, sunlight has streamed through these very windows, illuminating the intricate mosaics that adorn the walls. See how the light dances across the faces of saints and emperors, whispering tales of a glorious past. After the Ottoman conquest in 1453, the building underwent a remarkable transformation, with minarets gracing its exterior and Arabic calligraphy adorning its walls. Today, the Hagia Sophia stands as a symbol of Istanbul's rich and complex history, a harmonious blend of Byzantine and Ottoman influences. Prepare to be dazzled as we journey to the heart of the Ottoman Empire, Topkapi Palace. For nearly 400 years, this sprawling complex served as the seat of power for the Ottoman Sultans, a place where history was made and empires were ruled. As we pass through the imperial gate, imagine the clatter of hooves and the murmur of important dignitaries as we enter the first courtyard. But venture deeper, and you'll uncover a world of hidden courtyards, opulent chambers and breathtaking views of the Bosphorus. We'll peek into the imperial harem, the secluded quarters where the Sultan's wives, concubines and children resided. Imagine the rustling silks and the soft melodies of traditional instruments as we step into a world of both luxury and confinement. Don't miss the treasury, where you'll be blinded by the sparkle of countless diamonds, emeralds and rubies. But perhaps the most breathtaking part of Topkapi Palace is its stunning location, perched on a hilltop overlooking the confluence of the Golden Horn and the Bosphorus. Now get ready to be mesmerized by the ethereal beauty of the Blue Mosque, a masterpiece of Ottoman architecture that will leave you breathless. As we approach this majestic structure, take a moment to appreciate the grandeur of its 6 minarets piercing the sky. These elegant towers reaching for the heavens are a testament to the mosque's importance in the Ottoman Empire. And now let's step inside. Prepare to be bathed in an ethereal blue light as we enter the main prayer hall. Look up and marvel at the intricate designs that adorn the dome and the upper walls. Over 20,000 handmade Iznik tiles, each one a work of art, create a mesmerizing tapestry of blue and white floral patterns. These beautiful tiles, crafted in the city of Iznik, are renowned for their vibrant colors and intricate designs. As you stand in the vast prayer hall, close your eyes and just listen. The Blue Mosque is a place of peace, serenity, and deep spiritual significance, a place where you can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. Hold on to your hats, folks, because now we're diving headfirst into the vibrant chaos of the Grand Bazaar, one of the oldest and largest covered markets in the world. Imagine a labyrinth of over 4,000 shops spilling out into a maze of 61 covered streets. As you enter this bustling marketplace, prepare to be bombarded with a sensory overload. The air hums with the chatter of vendors hawking their wares, the scent of exotic spices, the gleam of gold and silver. Let's get lost in the labyrinthine alleyways, each one dedicated to a different craft. Here you'll find master artisans practicing their trades, their skills passed down through generations. Watch in awe as silversmiths hammer intricate designs into bracelets and earrings, their workshops echoing with the rhythmic clang of their tools. The Grand Bazaar is more than just a place to shop, it's a microcosm of Istanbul itself, a melting pot of cultures and traditions. For our final Istanbul adventure, we're setting sail on the enchanting Bosphorus Strait, a waterway that connects Europe and Asia. As we glide along this historic waterway, feel the gentle breeze and soak in the panoramic views. This is Istanbul at its most magical, a city where East meets West, where ancient history blends seamlessly with modern life. Keep your cameras ready as we pass by magnificent Ottoman palaces, their ornate facades reflected in the shimmering waters. Gaze up at imposing fortresses, strategically perched on hillsides guarding the entrance to the Black Sea. And don't forget to keep an eye out for the charming Ottoman-era wooden houses, or yalis, lining the shores. As the sun begins its descent, casting a warm glow over the city, imagine yourself sipping Turkish tea on the deck, the gentle rocking of the boat lulling you into a state of pure bliss. A Bosphorus cruise is the perfect way to end your Istanbul adventure, a chance to reflect on all the incredible sights you've seen and the memories you've made. Well folks, there you have it, Istanbul's top 5 wonders. I hope you enjoyed this virtual journey as much as I did. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more travel adventures. And be sure to let me know in the comments below which Istanbul landmark you're most excited to visit. For more detailed travel tips and links to resources, be sure to check out the video description below. Until next time, happy travels.